famous PBB mango juice.
Oh, yeah.
Alang kasama. So, next
I
up.
like it.
Wow,
the
so
apple.
nice.
Yeah.
Come here!
Everyone has to go na.
Ethel, come here!
Wait, tabi mo muna yan.
Let's start the party.
Yeah, come on. Ay,
Go ahead,
hintayin
indulge.
natin sila.
Drink your mango juice.
Let's wait na lang for
Drink
them.
the mango juice. Pwede na rin to. Sige, cheers, guys. Cheers, girls.
Cheers to the girls' night out.
Cheers to the girls' night out.
Good evening and welcome to the Pinoy Big Brother Girls Night Out.
Thank you
Please
so
be
much.
seated. Good evening, welcome to the PBB Girls Night Out.
Parang wala naman.
Please be seated. Good evening, welcome to the PBB Girls Night Out. Please be seated.
Wala namang alak.
Tara, shot ng mango shake ito.
In fairness.
Are we all complete? Are we still waiting for some of your girlfriends?
Kompleto na.
We are complete. So once again, we would like to personally welcome you to the Pinoy Big Brother
Club.
Girls Night Out. Please indulge with our house drink, mango alang kasama. The apple
Anong
juice.
bottomless siya?
And then after the drinks and the
Sana bottomless siya.
fruit snacks, we will be our staff, professionally trained staff, will be giving you girls a foot massage, a hand massage, or a feet massage
Oh my God!
tonight. But before that, before we do the massaging and the rubbing, our professionally trained staff will perform a little special number for all the girls. So enjoy while the guys, we call them Chips Ahoy, straight from Las Vegas, Pampanga, will be preparing anytime soon. So enjoy.
Thank you.
Wow, nice.
It's so nice. So much. So posh. I wonder kung ano.
So may foot
Okay.
massage saka hand
As soon as
massage.
the music.
Spa pa rin. Girls night out.
How about some music, Kuya? Big brother, how about some music to set the mood? Here we go now. Are we having fun? Yes. All right. So settle down, and I'll be calling our professionally trained entertainers from Las Vegas, Pampanga, ladies and gentlemen, mga kaibigan. These are our exports and imports alike. Girls, please welcome Chips Ahoy. First in the line. His name is Baron Jeremy. Baron Jeremy is from Manila, and he's one of the famous Chips Ahoy frontmen. And this one's Victor Basa. Ladies and gentlemen, Victor Basa is also from Manila. A certified hunk. A certified hunk and model. This was an import from Davao City. Pinaglihi po sa tuna, mga kaibigan. His name is Ravishing Ruben. Ravishing Ruben, ang lalaking pinaglihi sa tuna. Mga kaibigan, pinakamagaling gumiling mula sa Mindanao. Ayan po. Ravishing Ruben, mga kaibigan, mula sa Davao City. Next in line. Next in line is a former Taekwondo champion. He had an injury, so he settled for this job. Now he's kicking ladies' bedrooms. His name is Donald Dako. And this one's ladies. This one's an import from England. He's the best stallion in town. English stallion, John Avila, ladies and gentlemen. And last but not the least, from Germany, the most famous German sausage in town. His name is Will.
Okay,
Will de Boer.
go! One.
Enjoy, ladies.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, ha? Oh, ha?
Let's go! Wait!
Oh, ha? Oh. Oh.
Five, six, seven, 8!
Oh! Yeah, mga kaibigan.
Mayor's here!
Nag-wait na. Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Okay, go! Guys, agree na tayo.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
All right! Enjoy, ladies!
Yeah, mga kaibigan. Ayan na, mga palabog ng Pinoy Big Brother. Enjoy na enjoy si Ethel Buba, mga kaibigan. Enjoy na enjoy. Ay! Nilimit ang kurot. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Okay, alright. How about a big hand for our... They have one more thing stored for you.
It's an aquarium. You choose who you want to massage you.
Yan. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, that's Baron Jeremy. This one's Victor Basa. This one's Ravishing Ruben, ang ang lalaking pinagli sa tuna. This one's the best stallion from England, John Adila. And this one's the famous hound from Germany, the human German sausage, ladies and gentlemen. His name is Will Devon. And the former Taekwondo champion who had an injury and is now performing like this, Donald Dako. Donald Dako Kwak. So, ladies, it's your choice. Kung sino ang magbibigay sa inyo ng massage.
Pwedeng dalawa daw.
It could be a foot massage, a hand massage, a head massage, or all of the above.
You can choose two guys.
You can choose two guys. You can choose all of them.
With or without.
With or without, but
With or without tuwalya. It's
with
your
or without
choice.
tuwalya, yeah, it's your choice. You can have the guys wearing just the bow tie.
And you could also dust off your body.
Yeah. All right. Who wants to make the first choice? So let's start with this young lady over here.
Why me?
Megan. Megan, your choice of the Chip Ahoy massage.
Chip lang po.
Dude,
Chip lang po. Cup noodle lang.
Chip Ahoy. Okay.
Sino pinakamagaling magmasahe? Kasi sobrang sakit nandito.
Hindi ang choice. I suggest you take the tuna.
Guys, let's all dance
man.
para...
The tuna man. Because he's so good in massaging, you will be asking for additional wasabi. Okay. So you want the guy from Davao City? Or you want Basa on the city? You want the guy? Okay. You want the guy? Okay. The best massage dude in town. Okay, don't worry, he doesn't bite. Okay? We got him. Okay. The beauty queen from Canada, Binibining Lupa. Make your choice. Look at these fine products, ladies. Fine products. Look at them. Very, very nice. Murang-mura mga kaibigan. May kasama pang kulambu. Pag binili nyo, kiwa sila may kasama kulambu. Di ba? Easy ka lang, boy. Down, boy. Down, boy. Down, boy. Okay, Miss Riza, you have your choice.
Nakamara siya.
Huwag kang magalala, hanggang Sabado, pwede kang mamili. Hintayin ka namin hanggang Sabado. Pero mas maganda pumili ka na ngayon?
Well,
Yeah! Yes! The German sausage has been chosen. Okay, Miss Muriel, do you have any choice? Choice product?
Nati-favor sila.
Yes, of course.
Si John, siyempre.
Out.
Ay, bakit naman masyado kayo ma-assume? Malay mo yun ako sana.
Okay.
Si John.
Pinahaba mo pa. So, the English stallion has been taken.
Yes, the English
Miss
stallion.
Gabby de la Merced. The famous...
Nagabat ako.
Mamaya naman. Very special yung choice mo eh. Oh, kasi... Basta. Okay? So, Gabby? Your choice?
Ito ha, kayo.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry,
Wala
ma'am.
kasi magmasahe.
Malakas